Hi guys, welcome to your offline class. So today you guys have already learned about measurements, right? So we will have an extended class of measurements, okay? So I am going to teach you three different uh, systems of measurement, okay? There are different kinds of systems. Every country follows a different system. So there are three different kinds of systems in measurement, and let's learn about the different systems of measurement. So the first kind of a system is FPS, and this FPS means the foot, the pound, and the second. All the first letters of the units have been taken into consideration, and the name has been put FES. Okay, length na footla measure பண்ணுவாங்க. These are nothing but, all this is nothing but units. Okay, இது ஃபுல்லா units தான். Okay, length is the quantity. In the quantity foot units. Okay, then weight or mass, they calculate in pound. Then time is second only. Okay, next, in the CGS method, they calculate length through centimeter. Okay, weight through grams, and time same. All three ka time seconds na. Okay, in, as you can see, CGS na, C means centimeter, G means gram, and S means second. Next, MKS la, in the length na, M na meter, and weight means kilogram, and time means, yes, second. So here if you see, these both you have learnt already, right? The CGS system and MKS system, you guys have actually learned. We have done this. So this is followed in India. Okay. Now this FPS system is followed in Britain. British system it is. It is a British system. It is followed in Britain. Okay? Yeah, that is, I hope all of you guys understood. That is about the three systems. So we have basically three systems: FPS, CGS, and MKS. So these both systems is from India. Okay? And this is British. Okay, this is already there in your book. Okay guys, so I want you guys to pause the video and then note it down. Great, I hope you guys have paused the video and noted it down. Now I'm going to continue. Yeah guys, so now I'm going to introduce you guys to a to a fourth system. We have learnt about length, we have learnt about mass, we have learnt about time. These are its units, these are the quantities, and these are the units. We have learnt all three also. Now this is just its a short form or the name. Okay, uh, so next வந்துட்டு what we are going to learn new is these both we are going to learn, but today we are only going to learn about temperature. So temperature would a unit வந்துட்டு Kelvin. It's measured in Kelvin, or it is also measured in degrees Celsius. So you might have heard that temperature வெளியில எவ்வளோ ஹீட்டா இருக்குன்னா 40 degrees Celsius இருக்கு, இல்லைன்னா 39 degrees Celsius இருக்கு, இல்லைன்னா ஃபீவர் இருக்கு. எவ்வளோ ஃபீவர் இருக்கு? 102 degrees இருக்கு அவனுக்கு ஃபீவர் அப்படி. So we use degrees Celsius. So both can be done. It can be called as Kelvin, or it can be called as degrees Celsius. Okay guys, I hope that is clear. So now let's learn about something about temperature. Yeah guys, if you can see in this video, you can see an ice cream, right? So in the video, what is hot, what is cold? Yes, the ice cream is cold. The iron is hot, right? The fire is hot, and the ice is cold. So we have different types of hot and cold here. Okay guys, I'll give you an example. Now this is just hot water, okay, but this is boiling water. So if you see here, this is less hot than this. This is more hot, right? The boiling water on the stove, which is still burning, is more hot than this. This is not still burning, it's not still on the stove, so it's not that hot, but this is very hot. So அதெல்லாம் எப்படி சொல்லுவேன்? ஒன்னு ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்கு, இன்னொன்னு கம்மி ஹாட்டா இருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் நம்ம எப்படி ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணனும்னா with the help of the units of temperature. Okay, with the units of temperature we can tell about how hot a substance is or how cold it is, right? How much, when you compare with the other hot element, okay, இது ஜாஸ்தி ஹாட்டா இருக்கு, இது கம்மி ஹாட்டா இருக்கு அப்படி சொல்றதுக்கு நம்ம டெம்பரேச்சர் யூஸ் பண்ணோம், யூனிட்ஸ் ஓட டெம்பரேச்சர் யூஸ் பண்ணோம். யூனிட்ஸ் ஓட டெம்பரேச்சர் என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா நம்ம இங்க தான் படிச்சோம். யூனிட்ஸ் ஓட டெம்பரேச்சர் ரெண்டு, ஒன்னு கெல்வின், ஒன்னு வந்து டிகிரி செல்சியஸ். எனிதிங் இஸ் கரெக்ட். Okay, now guys, this person is a healthy person, right? This person is a healthy person. இவங்க டெம்பரேச்சர் எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்னா 97 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் அப்படி இருக்கும். பட் இந்த பர்சனுக்கு ஃபீவர், ஓகே, இந்த பர்சனுக்கு டெம்பரேச்சர் எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? ஒரு 102 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் இருக்கும், 103 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் இருக்கும். so it's going, so he is more hot, as his body is more hot than a normal person. So usually what do you use? ஒரு மவுத்ல இப்படி ஒரு ஸ்டிக் போட்டுட்டு டெம்பரேச்சரை we measure, no? What do you use to measure temperature? Yes, a thermometer. Good, great guys. So we learned all the three things, right? So we learned all the three things right now only. Quantity is temperature, units is nothing but degree Celsius or Kelvin, and the last one is acceptable units, quantity, and instrument. Instrument is nothing but, yeah, thermometer. Great guys, let's get on to the next slide. Yeah guys, now cold compare பண்ணலாம். It is raining but it is snowing. So snowing அங்க ரொம்ப கோல்டா இருக்கும், இந்த rainingல கம்மி கோல்டா இருக்கும். So அப்படியும் compare பண்ணலாம். You can know when it's more cold, you can know when it's less cold. Okay, அதுவும் compare பண்ணதுக்கு we use temperature. Okay guys, I want you guys to read it. Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness. Okay guys, so this is important. What does temperature tell? A degree of hotness or coldness, right? Degree of hotness or coldness or a substance. Heat energy given to a substance will increase its temperature. ஜாஸ்தி ஹீட் கொடுத்தோம், we are boiling. இந்த இதுல பார்த்தோம், ரொம்ப பாயிலா, இதுல பார்த்தோம் ரொம்ப பாயில் ஆகுது இங்க, அப்போ நம்ம ஹீட் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். நம்ம ஹீட் கொடுத்தா the temperature keeps increasing, அதுதான் எழுதிருக்கு, increase the temperature. Heat energy removed from the substance will lower the temperature. அப்படியே அந்த ஹீட்டை ரிமூவ் பண்ணா டெம்பரேச்சர் கம்மி ஆயிடும். ஓகே, next, tools. Tools, one more word is I have taught you, instrument, right? Instrument வந்து என்ன? thermometer. Unit வந்துட்டு Celsius, so degree Celsius. So tool வந்துட்டு instrument. Okay, so unit vanditte degrees Celsius or Kelvin. Okay, so instrument is what? Thermometer. Then quantity is nothing but what we were learning, temperature. Super, that's it guys. Okay, in the next class we'll learn more about it. For now, that's all. Okay guys, so I want you guys to pause the video and take notes whenever it is necessary. Okay, thank you.